The Eufy S1 Pro linked in the video description is designed for users who prioritize advanced mopping features and ease of operation. Its real-time mop washing feature keeps the mop fresh and clean throughout each session, ensuring consistent results and improved hygiene. The touchscreen controls on the cleaning station make operation intuitive and straightforward, while the auto detergent dispensing system ensures the right amount of cleaning solution is used every time. These features make it a solid contender for households seeking an easy-to-use, efficient cleaning device. However, the Eufy S1 Pro does have some drawbacks that may impact its appeal. It struggles to clean edges and walls thoroughly, leaving some areas less tidy. The absence of a mop extension feature limits its ability to reach tight spaces effectively, while the lack of hot water mop washing may be a disadvantage for those that require a deeper cleaning. These limitations may require additional manual cleaning to achieve the best results, which could be a drawback for some users.